Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a very short story, and this one is the name of the story is um, The Power of Devotees. So let me begin the story. This one I read from Bhagavatam Katha, and let me begin the story. You know, one day Narad Muni he went to Vaikuntha. You know, Narad Muni used to go to Vaikuntha all the time. So when he reached there, he asked, "Oh Lord, what are the results of being associated with the devotees?" Then Lord Vishnu smiled. He said, "Naradji, why you are asking me? Go to the forest, there is a big banyan tree, and the left side branch of that tree, there is a parrot nest. You go there and ask a newly born baby parrot is there, you go and ask him. You will get your answer." So Naradji became very happy and he went there. As he was directed, he went to the forest, and there he saw the banyan tree, and then went there and asked the baby parrot, "Oh, baby parrot, tell me, what are the results of being associated with the devotees?" Then, the moment he asked this, the baby parrot fell down dead. Naradji was shocked. What happened? I asked, and the baby parrot is dead. He came back to Vaikuntha again and said this thing, "Oh Lord, the baby parrot is dead." Then once again Lord Vishnu smiled and said, "Don't worry, go. This time you go to a Brahmin's family, and there he has a newly born baby calf. You go and ask him." Then once again Narad Muni came to that Brahmin's family and asked that newly born baby calf, "Oh calf, just tell me, oh baby, just tell me, what are the results of being associated with the devotees?" The moment he asked this, again the baby calf also fell down dead. Then Naradi was shocked. He thought that what is happening? The moment I'm asking the question in my presence, in front of me only, they fell down dead. So out of sorrow, he went back to Vaikuntha and told this thing to Lord Vishnu. But Lord Vishnu smiled again. He said, "Don't worry, this is not your fault. Now go to the royal palace of Kasi, King Kasi's palace, and there you go to his stable. There a baby horse was born, and you go and ask him." Now, Naradji didn't want to come again because he felt that because of him the deaths are happening. However, as Lord Vishnu told him, he came to the stable. There he saw the baby horse. He asked, oh baby horse, just tell me, what are the results of being associated with the devotees?" And the same way, as he repeated the question, the baby horse also fell down dead. Now Naradji was extremely worried. His heart was filled with sorrow because when I am the cause of their death, the moment I'm asking, and they fell down dead. I am the cause of their death. So I don't want to go anywhere. So he went back to Vaikuntha and told everything to Lord Vishnu in a very sorrowful mind. Then this time Lord Vishnu smiled. He said, "Naradji, don't worry. I told you this is not your fault. You go to the king and he has a newly born son. He was a new prince. You go there and ask this, and this time definitely you will get the correct answer." And Naradji said, no, if I'll go, maybe the prince will also die. No, nothing will happen. You go and you'll get the answer this time. Now Naradji went to the prince, to the royal palace, and the moment he reached there, the king became very happy because he thought that Naradji was a great rishi, divine rishi. So his blessing is more than enough. So he brought his son to him and asked him to bless his son. Now Naradji took him in his arm and asked, "Oh baby, just tell me, what are the results of being associated with the devotees?" The moment he asked this, the baby boy giggled out loudly. He said, Kyo says, still now you have not understood. You are the person, you talked to me when I was a baby parrot, and because of your presence, I was released from that life. And O Naradji, O says, because of your presence only, I was released from the calf's life and from the cow life, animal life. And yes, O Naradji, because of you only, I was released from the horse life. So, is it not good? Just look at कि your presence was, I'm so fortunate to have, to see your presence, because of which now I have got the human life, the best of the life. And that too in a prince family, I mean a king's family. So, Naradji, is there anything to understand more? Now you got the answer. Naradji became very happy and he went back. Now he got the answer. Anyways, story is this much. The main thing is that a person is fortunate one only. Means a fortunate person only can get the satsang. If a person gets the means experiences the friendship with a good person, then definitely he is a fortunate man, fortunate person. And that too, particularly the devotees whose mind was, devotee means their mind was definitely pure and always devoted to Lord. So that is why if you can be with the devotees, then there is no doubt that you will also, your mind also will become pure. And one day time will come, you will also give your mind and heart to God. Anyways, thank you so much. Once again, I will meet you with another this type of short story. Thank you.